I want to welcome you to viewing our overview of several of the PlyGem aluminum fascia covers, the different options that we have. What we're going to look at, I want to show you first. Eric is all set up in safety gear. Always be careful when you work with aluminum trim sheet. It's very dangerous with the right kind of gloves and glasses. But we're going to talk about pre-bent options, and then we're going to talk about field form options. They're both great. Generally, field form options are used for the remodeler, but not all the time. And preformed are done by new construction where they don't have breaks in the field. But either one can go. Let's show you the preformed options that you can get from PlyGem. First of all, we're showing you a smooth aluminum. This one happens to be white, and you can see from the profile it's got a little hem to it, so that's your smooth option. We also have the same option in smooth paint with ribs in it. So we'll show you what those ribs are already bent in the factory, and they kind of take out some of the unevenness, and it's really good to keep the fascia real flat. So you have an option of going flat or with the ribs. They both look really good. And the third one, we actually send it to you with a wood grain finish. You can see it real clear, and all these are the same profile, and they're all pre-bent and a lot of options for you. So let's make sure you understand what you can do with pre-bent. First of all, you can get it in a 4, 6, 8, or 10-inch width. And we have up to about 28 colors to work with in some of these lines. And again, most of them are an 024-inch thickness, but we do have options for 019 also. So a lot of great options available to you when you're getting the pre-bent. Now, if you're in the field and you want to form it yourself, Eric's going to show you how to do that. We're just going to bend a small piece. Now, again, your options are even more in the field because obviously, look, we got a real dark bronze color there. You have any color you want as long as you get the trim sheet, especially from PlyGem, flat coil. You get any color you want. You can bend it any shape you want for specialty. You can see how flat the coil is. So what we're going to do, we're going to put it, what Eric has is a field form brake. It's a small version. And again, he's going to put it in. We're going to put a hem in first. So he's going to slide it, just so you know how to do this. Most people do. And he's actually going to bend that all the way over to get a 3/4 inch hem. So he's actually bent it. Now he's going to open it up, put it back in the brake, and bend it all the way over so that he has a hem. So this is really how you make a standard fascia in the field. So now he's going to put it back in the brake. He's got his hem. You can see that. You got to have a hem so you don't have wavy coil on that fascia. He's going to put it back in. He's going to put it about 1 inch or so, and then he's going to bend it again so that we get the leg. So he's going to bend it a little bit more. Just bend it 90 degrees this time. Watch him pull it out. It's magic. And now you have a piece of fascia with a hem, any color you want, and you can do it in the field, or you can buy the pre-bent options. So again, hopefully this YouTube video helped you to teach you all the different options of fascia covers. Please try to join some of our other YouTube videos. I think you'll learn a lot more. Thanks.